Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for nailshack. Now, if you're not familiar, nailshack is a nail sticker subscription. It is a monthly subscription. It is $12.95 per month, but it does get cheaper the longer you pay for. And she'll send things that coincide with the month, the holidays, things like that. So let's go ahead and see what we got. She does include instructions on how to apply the nails. They are very easy to apply. Nobody should ever be intimidated by that. And we have Happy Easter sticker on there. So this bag is for April. She does send this to me free for review. Thank you, Deanna. And you get a cuticle pusher and nail file with every shipment. And you get 4 sets of stickers. So that's one for each week of the month until you get your next package. So the first one we have is little bunnies. Let me get that right. There we go. That's very cute. Ooh, pink sparkles. I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, this matches what I'm wearing today. Kind of looks like eggs in a way. Maybe not. It looks like, no, it looks like water. I saw the speckles, the glitter on the white ones, and I thought that looked like an egg. But no, upon further review, it looks more like water. But it does match my outfit. And then, ooh, this one is just really pretty. Some little pink flowers. That one's very, very pretty. And these are ombre. It's a vertical ombre. Very nice. So that is what I got in my April 2022 nail bag. If you are interested in trying nailshack for yourself, she is running some specials right now where if you pay for 6 months, you get 100%. What was that? Let me check. If you pay for 6 months in advance and use code FIRSTBOXFREE, you will get 100% of your first shipment for free. Did that make sense? If you pay for 6 or 12 months, your first shipment is free. I don't know why that was so difficult. And then the other one is use code DEARMOM to get 30% off your first box with a 3-month subscription. So go check those out. I'll leave the link for you down below. And on that note, I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.